Hi everyone, welcome to Hawkeye Forensic YouTube channel. We are here with some sort of testing or hacking skills of Flipper, which is very much popular within these days. So today we would be doing some sort of smart practicals, like whether this device is having the capabilities of hacking into Wi-Fi, ACs, projectors. So we don't have multiple things, but yes, we'll try doing some sort of test whether it can hack into the remote which are working on the infrared. So as you can see, we have this device. We try to turn this device on. So we have the capability, the battery is 33% charge, and you can see we have started this up. Now we have an option in which we have infrared. So we will be only restricted to the ACs and TVs. So we have here universal remote. So let's see like the libraries of this universal remote is work onto the AC. So we have this Panasonic AC. Now we will try to attack. So that you can see a small tiny remote which would be visible into this, and we'll try to turn it on. We have some sort of features in which we can cool down the temperature. And as you can see, our remotes are here. AC is brand new. We are not using these ACs as much. And you can see it is sending codes, multiple codes. So it is having a lot of libraries. So all the ACs library, updated libraries, which is available. So I have downloaded these libraries onto the GitHub. So there was a complete library set was there, which is called universal remotes throughout the world. So every kind of ACs which is available, which are not new. So they can be easily targeted. So as there's an infrared sensors which is sending signals. As we can see, 70% of attacks has been done. It is still trying to get the attacks. Like now you can see the click, the sound. So my remotes are lying there, and it actually turned the AC on. So it means the library is perfectly fine. Now this library, we'll try to stop down this, and as you can, this is a successful attack. We'll try to, if we are trying to get switching on, it will take the similar kind of time to turn the AC on. Again, the same sort of command which need to be there. So not to make this video longer, we'll turn this AC from here, and sorry, from here. And now we'll see another feature of this. Okay, if this is coming out of the library, we try to connect this and go back to learn new remotes. For example, if my AC is off and I don't have a universal remote function is working, so we have a function which is called learn new remotes. So Flipper have capability on any infrared, the new remotes are there. So we can pick that remote in without without clicking in front of the AC. So we can see whether this can learn the new remote. So as you can see, we exit here, try to see learn new remote, and we click. Now you can see when I click this capture this command, and we have 439 samples altogether. We try to send the sample to the remote, whether it has copied or cloned the remote or not. As we can see, you can see again it opened the AC. Now my remotes are here. We'll try to run the same sort of command which is there onto the other ACs which we have. So we have all sort of same ACs, almost ACs are installed. We'll try to run this command. As you can see, this AC is also worked on. We have another ACs into our lab. Now we have an AC in the cyber forensic lab which we have in here. We'll try in here as well. So we can see that AC is also on. So it actually captured the kind of AC, kind of all the functions of the ACs which is there. So now last one, we would be going into the training area of ours, and we have an AC down there. As you can see, the switch is on, and the same thing without any remotes. My remote is lying down there, and we'll try to see this AC also turns off, right? So as you can see, like all the ACs through this Flipper, one device, you can save the samples in it. So you can see if want to save this power, so whatever I want to give it a name, I can hack into the ACs. Let's do another practical before we just moved out of this video. So as you can see, this TV is also on. So we can also go on to the universal learn new remotes. Similarly with the ACs, we can do learn new remotes, and you can see the AC, sorry, not TV remote, KCGO is a name. Now that has been captured. We'll try to run whether it can switch on the TV or not. So we are running the command. As you can see, this green signal comes in and the TV is on without having anything into my remote is there. Mean is what, like how vulnerable this could be, how hackers can misuse of it. So any remote which is very specific, it can actually capture the commands which is running onto the infrared level, and it can hack you. It can hack any kind of TV or any kind of remote which is running onto the infrared, which would be much more harmful. So beware. This video is just for the educational purposes or awareness purposes. It is not something which could be misused. So just beware. If you like the videos which we are creating, if you like the content which we are creating, let us know what exactly you want to learn more about kind of cyber forensic and cyber security related stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.